How to mute or unmute someone's notes on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on the airplane-like icon at the bottom, which will lead you to your DMs. In here at the top, you'll find notes of people. Now to mute, what you can do is hold on to their notes and then click on mute notes at the bottom. Press on mute notes and their notes will be muted. And to unmute, you can go to their profile and simply click on unmute notes. And this is how to mute or unmute someone's notes on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.